Hey there, in today's video, we're going to be talking about the 5 laws of investing that will help you to reach your financial goals. Whether you are a seasonal investor or just starting out, these laws are essential for success. Let's dive in. The law of diversification. This is the first law. The first law of investing is to diversify your portfolio. This means spreading your investments across different asset classes such as stocks, bonds, real estates, and commodities. By diversifying your portfolio, you can reduce risk and increase your chances of success. The law of patience. The second law of investing is to be patient. Investing is a long-term game, and it's important to have a patient, disciplined approach. Don't let short-term market fluctuations discourage you. Stick to your strategy and focus on the long term. The law of risk management. The third law of investing is to manage risks. This means understanding your risk tolerance and choosing investments that align with you. It also means having a diversified portfolio, having an emergency fund, and not investing more money that you can afford to lose. The law of research. The fourth law of investing is to do your research. Whether you are investing in stocks, bonds, or real estates, it's important to research the companies, the market, and the potential risks and rewards before making any investment decisions. The law of discipline. The final law of investing is to have discipline. This means having a solid investment plan. This is very important. You have to have a solid investment plan, and you have to stick to your strategy and avoiding impulsive decisions. It also means rebalancing your portfolio regularly and making adjustments as needed to stay on your track. So there you have it, the 5 laws of investing that will help you to get rich and achieve your financial goals, to reach your financial goals. By following these laws and making smart investment decisions, you can build wealth and secure your financial future. Thanks for watching.